Oh, that doesn't taste very good warm. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little mini Sephora haul. When I say mini, I mean mini. It's like a little small thing. I ordered some things. Go over the quick little things and then I'm gonna go over the little thing that I wanted to talk about, the other little thing. You know, the little thing? Alright guys, if you guys are interested in watching this video, just keep watching. I brought this brow kit that brings the pencil and the gel, which I'm really excited for because I need a gel. I had the Maybelline brow gel forever, which I love that thing, but my brow hairs never stayed up. They always went back down how they were in the beginning. I don't have any brow gel on my eyebrows right now, so I really wanted to get this because it's priced for $24 out of a $34 value, so I would take that. I'm also excited to have my brow pencil back. I haven't had this one in a while. I've been using the Benefit Brow, which I don't know if I like it. I think it's very fine, very strong pigmented pencil. It's a pigmented pencil. So if you don't have a light hand, you look like you just stamped some eyebrows on your eyebrows. So I don't love it. And I also don't think I got the right color for me. The color that I have, it's a little bit more on the reddish, brownish side. So it doesn't match my eyebrows completely, but I'm still using it. I'm excited to have this back. Next, I got the tattoo liner from Kat Von D. I love this thing so much. It lasts forever. I've been using the Tarte ones. This is one of them from Tarte that I had bought. It came in a set with this color, a brown color, and a black color. And I really love it too. But I ran out of this one, so I bought it again. The next thing I got is Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. It's this one right here. I'm so excited. It's in the color SHEro. And I had bought a Huda Beauty, oh this one. But it came with the liner and everything, and I don't know where the liner is right now. But I bought a little set during Christmas, and this is a color Day Slayer, and I love this color so much. But I wanted to get something like this because it's a little bit more pinkish, so I'll maybe match my lips a little bit better. Do a little swatch on my hand so I can see it. Ooh, look at that tip. That's different. So compared to, this is SHEro compared to Day Slayer. Day Slayer is more of a brownish. So on the top is the one I had already, Day Slayer, and on the bottom is SHEro. I love the formula of the Huda Beauty's lipsticks and the matte ones too. Oh, so good. So what I really wanted to talk about was this little set that I found on the Sephora website. You know, they always have these little sets, which I love buying. This is the Sephora Favorites Poolside Party Summer Beauty Essentials. So it has a Sephora lipstick, the Jouer highlighter, the Bum Bum cream, the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. They have my favorite mascara from Tarte. There's a Away Wave Spray for your hair. Patrick the Shimmer Body Oil. There's the Supergoop Unscreen Sunscreen. And there's a Sugar Rose Fresh from Fresh Beauty little lip balm. I love getting these little sets. I feel like I don't go through makeup enough at all. Like I have so much makeup here and half of it I don't use, and then it lasts here forever and it's just getting there, you know, it's getting old. When I've never tried a product before, I love getting these little sets. One, because you save money because you're not buying the full size. You're more likely to go through all the makeup or the product that you get than instead of buying something really big knowing that you might not even use it or like it. This is the little spray right here. This is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Everyone loves this thing, so I'm excited to use this. And this is the Sephora lipstick. Look how cute that little packaging is. This is the sunscreen. This is the lip balm, lip treatment, and it has sunscreen. These are packaged like this. How cute is this little thing? This little thing's so cute and little. So this is in the shade Skinny Dip. I don't own, oh, I used to own lip products from Jouer when I used to do makeup videos back 3 years ago. I used to have some of their lip products, but those are long gone. Look how cute this color is. That is a very cute color. Perfect for summer. I don't know if you could see that very good, but it's really nice. Oh, look at these. How pretty. The Patrick the Body Oil. Let's open it. Oh, it's a spray. It's a spray. I'll spray a little bit on my hand. Whoop. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, that'll make me look nice and shiny and dewy. It's very nice. It smells like vanilla. I love vanilla. The last thing is the mascara. My favorite mascara, so I have a backup now. And this little bag here is so cute. I feel like whenever you're traveling, you could just put some makeup in there. Usually when I travel, I take way more makeup than this because palettes and, you know, it doesn't fit. But this is good for essentials like concealer, some lip gloss, lipsticks, you know, your eyebrow stuff, eyeliners, mascara. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked my little mini Sephora haul. If you did like it, please subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. And hit the like button below so I know you liked the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.